2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, electronic stability control, leather seats, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.